Hi, a happy hoarder here, and welcome to Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, presenting the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Decor Ideas for 2021. I want to thank our lovely host, Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, and her wonderful co-host. Please check out the links to their channels and their videos in the playlist in the description below.
Hi! I have you hoarder here, and no, you're not watching the same video you watched the day before. I'm going to have the same outfit on in the rest of these videos, so just be prepared. Anyway, I'm still doing the thrift haul, and in this from Rolling Hills Ministry Thrift Store in Ruston, Louisiana, that we have them all over. We have one in Pineville. We have now one in West Monroe. We have one in Monroe. We have one in Bossier, which is near Shreveport. And where was the other one? Oh, Arcadia. Sorry, Arcadia. Yeah, so we got a lot of them. I feel like I'm forgetting one. So I gotta count it. Anyway, another goodie box. Yay! Goodie boxes are so much fun. Now, the goodie box, the difference between a goodie box and a goodie bag is usually it's full of fragiles, so it doesn't mean they all survived, but close enough. So this has, I think it's a candle. It's just a little glass miniature candle. Be cute for a tiered tray. If I could get the lid off. I think it's a candle. It looks like, oh, it didn't go everywhere. It's got raspberries on top, and it is stuck on there good. Yeah, it's a little candle, and very lightly scented. Oh, that's like on a cork. I'm lucky I did not just rip that off. How did you stay on? Wow. Yeah, it's just a little resin berries on the top. So that's so cute and so little. It looks like something that would go like a, American Girl doll. Like she got a nice candle. That's like something that her size. It's kind of sweet. I may do that. I may just go make me a little pile for my 18-inch dolls. Now, if you watched my last video, you know I got a bag that had lights in it. Hang on. Come on. You can do it. No, maybe not. Maybe I'll have to wait on that one. Because he is in there good. Sorry, I should have untaped it first. Hang on a second, I'll get back to that one. But I do have, this is by Fitz and Floyd, and it's so sweet. It's just Santa with some presents. It's a tiny candle holder. Well, the irony is I found some tiny candles one day. So I've got that. But this one, I think they're kind of big. I think the hose may still be a little bit big on this one, but we'll see. I could probably have better luck with this one than whittling them down for something else. But here's another one. So two Santas, a Fitz and Floyd style. And they look really, they're so cute little faces. They're good shape. They look really cute. So these, at first I thought these were cups, like a coffee cup. Actually, this one does have a little rough spot right there. A little, what do they call that? A bird peck or something. And the glaze. But I was like, yeah. So why is he holding a teacup in the air? Oh no, it's a candle. It's a candle. We won't talk about that. This is just my brain today. So back to this little candle. I got other flavors as well. I've got something with flowers. Oh, this smells much better. This is kind of a gardenia smell. This is gardenia. Oh yeah. So a little gardenia. It's got little gardenias on it. Well, I would say that over magnolias. Pine petals, yeah, probably. And then lemons. The little lemons. And they're all like real little. They're so cute. Oh, you know what? It does smell like lemon, but it smells like Pledge. Exactly. Like my house is clean. I can use Pledge. We'll fool everybody, won't we? Oh, and this is really cute. It just is made in China. You know, it's just a little boot. It's really sweet. I don't know what I would do with the boot. Put it on a tier tray or something. It's really cute. That's what little my miniatures are over here. Yeah, I'm still sorting from earlier. And then here's something I was really excited about. If I can get this out. This is definitely one of my keepers. I have two keepers in here for sure. Actually, I like the Fitz and Floyd. I do like those. I'll probably get the candles too. I think the only thing questionable was the boob, but I think I would use it first, maybe. So, this is the little tree. I just love it. Everybody's got all these really cool trees. And then I said, oh, I want one. Okay, then I'm now looking at this tree, and I realize this tree has no light source. Wait, what? I would think that would be open, wouldn't you? It's not. Wait, I'm going to bust you open? It needs a light, people. That's not how this works. Yeah, so it has all the little holes. Oh, well, by the way, that box was $3.75 too. But Maybe one of my ornaments. Oh, I better get that for Ceci thinks that's hers. Sorry, Ceci. Anyway, yeah, that's shocking me. I'm really shocked right now. I don't know. Yeah, they should have cut that hole out so that you could light it up. Now oh man, that's so sad. Well, I gotta figure something out. Can you cut through porcelain? See if I know. If you didn't know how to do this, let me know. Because I would like to light it up. Like you put one of those battery operated candles in it or something. I love this. Oh my gosh, that is adorbs. So I have a lot of reindeer candles, and this is a tiny one. It's so sweet. No, I don't have a candle that will fit in it. Of course I don't. It's very tiny. I love that piece. That is so cute. All right, box going over here. Man, I gotta figure that out. That is weird. So what I grabbed Raggedy Andy. I know, no Ann, just Andy. I don't know what that's about. But I don't know what the story is with this one. I don't know who made him. He kind of looks homemade-ish. He does. I mean, he's a little embroidered face and everything, so he's really sweet. And I do like him. I wish I knew if he had a tag hidden on him somewhere. Gotta strip him naked, I guess, to get it. He's got a snap. You know how everything seems to have Velcro or whatever. Sorry, gotta show his tiny. I don't see any kind of signature or anything on him, so I don't know. But I actually got him to sell on eBay. But I'm kind of liking the clothes and everything. I was like, can I put a doll in that? It's kind of a big outfit though. But it would be so cute on one of my dolls. Yeah, make my dolls look like a Raggedy Andy versus, but now without the Ann. Why is that so weird? Why is it okay to have Raggedy Ann, but then Raggedy Andy by himself is so lonely? Such a lonely guy. I'm so sorry. So I do really bad things with these. I know, I'm so evil. But a lot of times I'll buy rag dolls just to use their bodies for something. In fact, I have a Santa project I'm working on where I'm taking a rag doll, which is actually just a rag doll. He didn't have like a body or clothes or anything. It was just a rag doll for crafts that somebody made though. And I'm going to make a Santa, because that's Santa I was working on. And he's a cone, like they call him a tree topper. And I hate that cone. It's plastic, don't get me started. And he really needed a better body. And I went digging in my little cloth dolls that I have to see if I had a body for him. And I do. So I'm going to change that one. I'm kind of looking at this guy going, hey, I could use this body and these mittens. Where are those mittens? Hey, no, wait, where are my mittens? Those would be so cute. Actually, you could wear the mittens. Yeah, I'm going to work out some stuff with that. But yeah, I know. No, I'm like, yeah. I wish I knew. I can look him up to see if maybe there's an Ann somewhere in this world in need of her Andy. And I'll do that first before I start cutting him up. And I have plenty of dolls. I don't have to picture it just yet. Yes, I grabbed a bag of plastic ornaments because I had plastic ornaments are the best to put out on outside. And they're awesome because they look so good. But this one, this does not look plastic. What? Oh no. Okay, I put it in my mouth. Yes, glass. Is that glass? Okay, that could have been a disaster. So I had 2 other silver balls. You always got to use for that. Yeah, I just got a vase out too. I can put these safely somewhere. I have to put them right here for now. But yeah, I do like getting the plastic ornaments because you can use them outside and not have to worry about them. But I'm really kind of happy about the glass ones too because I can do something with this. I bought this for these. It's just, what's a hook for a thing? Hang on. Oh, I could have used your, I needed this at Halloween. Great. I know. So I got these. I thought they were just so funny. I'm not real sure about the felt on these skis. Would make it really hard to ski. But I thought these would be so cute on a napkin, or just on your plate. I mean, I think there's 4. But I think they're really, really sweet. And even with their little flannel. Why do they have it's like felt? It's fuzzy. What do you call that? Oh no, what is that called? It's not flannel. It's not felt. It's that other fabric. They make blankets out of, yeah, that one. That thermals, not thermal, whatever. What is wrong with me? Maybe if I didn't make videos so late at night, my brain's still sharp, but not sharp anymore. No! This is really cute. This is by Burton and Burton. You know, I gotta find a use for that. That's just too sweet. That is just too sweet right there. Oh, and all the red that I've got going on in here, I could definitely find a use for this for a craft. But here's another one of these, and why are you all attached? This is just getting crazy. So there's those. And now in my actual storage, I got lots of these. I got lots of plastics. I gotta find a good use for it. This is really pretty, but it's missing something. But I'm sure I have some greenery I could add to it, but it's a cardinal. So it's really dull though. It needs brightening up. It's really dull. And somebody lost one. This one did. Oh, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, and then you need this shoved back through. They're made. I think that's just cardboard or pasteboard. No, come on, you guys look at 4. I counted. And here's number 4. So I'm looking forward to using those on a cute little table. And then a lot of these. So many of these. So yeah, I think these are going to be sweet. Outside on a garland like around my door. I have a fall garland I have not put up. And I don't even know at this point if I even want to put it up. Because I just took the Halloween one down. You know, when you get in this mood, you know, it's called over decorating. But because it would only be out for a couple of days. This is a great bag. Once again, $3.75 is the going rate for bags at Rolling Hills in Ruston. I don't know what they're selling for everywhere else, but I'm buying them for $3.75. I don't have a problem with that. So, let's see what's in here. This one is going to be fun because it's got a lot of snowmen, and they're really, really fun. These are little craft projects. Oh, it's just a cute little craft project with the foam. And they're printed. So you can make 2 different snowmen. I'm like, okay, there's a craft project right there. I'm doing it. That's fun. This is fun stuff. Certainly I can find a good use for that on a glitzy looking glam thing. I'm gonna put it with the red right now. Oh, and green. The green is beautiful. Oh, the green by itself is so pretty. I actually like that a lot. Oh, here's a little snowman thing. Candle holder. In a box, just like brand new. Oh my God. I gotta quit looking because I want it to be a surprise. And so you see how packed they are. You don't know what you're gonna get. Well, that's kind of cute. It's just a little snowman candle holder. It's just a little bisque. Now, if this is something I was really wanting to hang on to, I would probably go in and do a little repainting on it to make it just a little bit more, you know, special. That's what I like to do. And these are super sweet. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, Cheat. I should have got them out faster. But aren't those cute? Oh, that's cute. I don't know if there's any more. It's got some glitter. A little bit of glitter up there at the top. You'll see the light hitting it. Isn't that adorable? That's really sweet. Oh, and more of these. So many of these. Ta-da! Yeah, I gotta think of something like, what can you do with a whole bunch of these things? That would be fun. Oh, this is cool for fireman. It's like a fireman. That's not even the right word. A firefighter. Sorry, firefighters of America. I'm so sorry I did that. Because I know you go by. You don't start fires, you put them out. Yeah, I got friends who are firemen. Firefighters, I should say. Yes, it's a firefighter. But you know what? That's kind of cool jacket. I'm like looking at this. Would this fit Ken? No, it's too small. It's just, our sleeves are really small. I'm just sitting here wondering, what outfit Barbie? Oh, what I was thinking. Y'all, why couldn't I just soak that and like get that star job and put that on Barbie? That's kind of, put this on the side. Oh, here's another one of these, and it's very glittery. So this is so funny because I needed one for Halloween. I didn't want to go out and get it, and I'd go dig through my, Christmas stuff to find it, and then I found one at Rolling Hills. And now here's more. Got more. And that's a lot of glitter in my house. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, oh, it's really cute. Mistletoe kisses. I'm sending this to poor Alicia. It's like, here, Alicia, getting something else. Because she has one of those little flags. I don't have one. I have places, but nobody comes down my drive except for the mail person. Aw, okay, it's one of those bags. These are so good to have, though. And a lot of times I'll put these in with my Santas. Now, I don't know about the red fur so much. But I definitely like the whole bag, maybe minus the red fur. Santa bags are easy to make, though, so maybe keep it in the gift bag stuff. So you can gift bags, or snowman gift bag. Oh, wait a second. Oh, just like that other thing. No, it didn't. They're different. Yay! So that's adorbs. So much of, whoa, don't fall. Oh, just one of these, but he's so sweet. Oh my goodness, that's just so sweet. Why just one? And then this guy who is a weird little Santa, who's like puffy and fat. I got nothing. Santa, I don't know. It just, you don't have to make Santas out of everything. Although I've tried. I have tried. Oh, and here, good, in case I forget, firefighter. It's a firefighter, so right there. There it is. Aww. And it's signed on the back. It's a message to Allison and family. That is USAK. So this was, wait a second. Is this painted or printed? It's painted. Oh, yeah, they wrote it. Yeah, because they wrote the, I guess they left that so that you could put a name on it, and they just wrote that on there. So I guess they made these, and then they branded their names on the back. I'm trying to see if they're printed, though. I'm really having a hard time. But then they left this blank so you could write stuff on it. That's kind of cute. Jazz talking about jingle bells in another video. Look, I got more jingle bells just in case. Just because I need more. Actually, these will be beautiful on a garland. I don't know if I want to mix them with the cookie cutters, but something. Or hey, they look good just sitting around. And then this is a, oh my goodness, beautiful ornament. What is this? Joan Baker does, aw, it's glass. It's got a little chip in the back. But it's still round. It's just kind of in the very back. Isn't that beautiful? Wait, look at that light. Oh, check it out with the lighting. What? Oh my goodness, can you imagine with the Christmas lights and on the tree? That is gorgeous. Yeah, tiny little chip right here. I don't know if you see it, like bouncing off of it. That is gorgeous. You know where to put it. Don't fall. And then here's something that's really cute, and I really, really dig this a lot. It says Santa's Magical Key. I have right now, I have a Santa that's out, and he's pretty big, but I have a bigger Santa than that. I want to put this with that Santa, and that's one of the reasons I bought the whole bag. I know it was, wait, what was in this bag? Those, I liked this for sure. I definitely wanted the key. So yeah, it's worth $3.75 to get the key, because that is some sweetness. Yeah, I'm just wondering about this though. Pick up at Barbie. Oh, you know what? It may fit one of the smaller, like Kelly's or one of the girls, you know? I am so curious to see how this will work. Especially, you know, sucking it and all that. Just kind of funny. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching, and please hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and all that stuff. Hey, I should say before that, check out those other videos in the playlist below, because these ladies have done a lot to get this put together for you. And I'm telling you what, there's some fun videos on there, and I'm just, yeah, with food and beautiful decor and DIY, so check them out. And elegant design, all that good stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.